Bitcoin fights at $25,000. What's going on in the crypto world? You wanna know? Yes? Then smash that like button, cause it's time for Crypto News, fun on the right crypto at top. We go to the Bitcoin's chart, and you can see here in the daily that we are lower than the last Crypto News. $25,000, 347 was the minimum we did with Bitcoin, and we are feeling like this poor girl in the market is like, what's going on? Are we going to still find support in $25,000? Everything's okay if we remain there, but if not, we might find the disaster and go to $20,000. As we told you in previous videos, you have to watch them all in Fun on the Ride, and remember to smash the like button, fighting to $20,000 maybe. Remember that we are slowly validating the double top formation, and that will bring us to $20,000. Not a very nice scenario. Also, Red Capital telling us here that we closed the weekly candle with some important moving averages there, 2150 and 200, that now may become as resistance as in the past those were supports. We go to TradingView, link in the description, and you can see again that we are trying to find support still in the EMA of 200 here, the green line, as we did in the past in June. But if not, so that's my hope that here we go crazy up next week. If not, well, we have no any other line to find support, and these ones, the yellow and the blue one that have never crossed before, can become now resistance for Bitcoin. That will not be good. Here you see the 200 being resistance in the past several times. So we'll see about that. Any case, daily RSI is now the most oversold since the COVID crisis in March 2020. So maybe this is an indicator that Bitcoin might be going up in the next future. We'll see about that. Will we close the August candle in the red? Remember that I expected a green candle. Watch the video of my premonitions. But now we are down 13% as we record this video. And here you have a history of Bitcoin. And you can see in August that in average, we retrace around 17%, 18%. In the deepest August. So if we will drop so much, 18%, we will go to around 24,500, the 25,000 we told you about last video. Remember also that we are in a pre-halving year, so maybe we have to look after 2020, so minus 4.6, or maybe in 2016, 2015, that would be minus 18, 67%. So are we going to go as low as that? I don't think so. Remember, my projection is that we are emulating that situation here. So I think the next weeks will be maybe in the green. We will have a bar pattern in the chart. Maybe that's a possibility still, and we will turn this situation down and go up again. Everything has to do with dollar. Maybe we are going to go as high as this line, and then price of Bitcoin will start going up. Maybe there's not enough time in August and we finally close in the red. Well, we'll share that information here. It doesn't matter because we have to zoom out and consider the future. And Crypto Jelly is telling us here that Bitcoin has spent the past 6 years inside this rising channel, and it looks like a move to the high is next. Ready to sell Bitcoin for more than $100,000? Well, that can be a possibility in the next 2 years. So we have to be patient. Again, maybe we are going to trade lateral till we get to this line around $25,000, something like that. Maybe so. If we consider the halving, well, we are going south, maybe close to this yellow line, which is not good, because if we are following that path, that means that we might be around $30,000 when we go to April 2024. We don't like that scenario. And I created this for you. So I mixed all those lines with the drop that all them had, this drop, and this other one. If you put all those drops together, well, you can see the pattern now. We will go a little bit up, and we'll see if we decide to go to the orange line to the top, to around 57 right now at the top on April 2024, coinciding with our crazy theories, or we go south, then will be around $30,000 for April 2024. We'll see about that. Historically, Bitcoin bear and bull cycles have all taken a similar amount of time. If each story repeats, we'll print new all-time highs in October 2024 and top out just over a year later. So now, some experts are not telling you about April 2024, April 2025, but October 2024, 2025. It's okay if we have to wait to October, but we don't have to keep on extending the time we need to wait. I prefer this scenario I wrote for you, where we are in the top all-time high again in April 2024 and around $1 million in 2025. Of course, remember, I'm not expert. This is not financial advice. I have no idea whatsoever what's going to happen. The market is in the fear again today, trying to be on the green, the bubbles fighting for the green too, but mostly a red day. Sam Bankman-Fried has pleaded not guilty to fraud and money laundering charges, and now he's in jail and he's not happy because he's a vegan and he has not that possibility in prison, allegedly having a bad time there. Poor guy. We are so sorry about him. And what about Vitalik Buterin? He cashed out $1 million in Ethereum. So this is something that has concerned the community a lot. Like, oh my God, Vitalik is selling Ethereum, so that means that Ethereum is worth nothing. Some other people is telling you that maybe this is just a good thing, because this might mean that he's going to put this money into Base from Coinbase. Other people just saying that it's usual that Vitalik sells some Ethereum from time to time in order to help the Ethereum community and the development of the project. So what do you think about that? Ethereum keeps on fighting in this triangle right now after going down to 1,500. And we have some rumors for XRP being listed in Robinhood. We'll see about that. Again, XRP just doing as we expected. And we told you in previous videos, and it's not a very good day for the market. But Miami Mayor Francis Suarez said that he will take salary in Bitcoin if elected president. So that's an important one. A bad piece of information. Balancer Val reported a vulnerability in some V2 pools. So all users are warned to withdraw their LPs. Bad things for our project Balancer. We had some money there. So probably now we have nothing left. And what about all the fuss with Friend Tech? This is this social media platform app created in Base from Coinbase, layer 2. And I'm seeing a lot of advertisements there and rumors. Here, they say that this wallet would give the addresses of 100,000 people. So they had a leak, but they say this is not true. And then we have like 1,000 other tweets there about this. So again, I think this company is just trying to be important in the ecosystem. Maybe they will, maybe not. I'm not using Friend Tech because in the end, I'm using Lens protocol. And how many protocols can you use? It's boring to wait and see, Noster, etc. Which one is going to be the one that everybody will use? I'm tired of following all them from the beginning. So I'm not going with this one, and probably that one would be the good one in the future. Any case, more pieces of information, potential decision on Grayscale versus SEC case, maybe today. That would be a very important piece of information. Have we got our ETF approved already or not? We'll tell you here. Also, some rumors that we have huge gains accumulating Bitcoin. Some say this is BlackRock. Some say this is just grayscale moving fonts. We'll see about that. And we'll learn about the DeFi ecosystem with DEXTools.io, link in the description. And remember, if you are a developer, that you have also the APY from DEXTools. This is gold on a gold mine for you. The DEXTools APY taps into DEXTools' extensive database of metrics across dozens of blockchains. So if you are an expert in this, link in the description, take advantage of this nice APY. And remember, we're going to be with DEXTools in BlockGalicia 28, 29, 30 September. You have discount 30% if you want to go in the description. And we know more and more people we are going to meet there. Like, for example, Jesus Lorente from CL Crypto. So nice that we learn also about taxes and regulation in Spain and in the crypto world. Do not miss that out. And do not miss that movie, Campeones, in Spain. And the thing with this movie is that they are creating an NFT collection, and they are going to give half of the money they earn to some foundations. So if you are interested, I leave the link in the description. For me, the most important thing is that you can see how all this technology is developing and being adopted, as now they are using it even in Spanish movies. Thank you, community, for telling me about that movie and the NFT thing, and also telling me how to create these 2 lines on Brave. Jose Javier Segura, thank you very much. You just need to go to these triangles here, or also just in my back, you have a button here where you can go and personalize that. Thank you very much also to the writer that told me that we are out of assembly in round 6 of the staking, and we have to wait till next round. I will tell you about that. And thank you to all our friends in Cardano on the right Fanon. If you have some ADAs there, some Cardano, then go to our validator, Cardano on the right, ticker Fanon, and you'll help us. We just validated 4 blocks in this epoch. So we are close to 100 blocks. We are so happy. Thank you very, very much. And now about the metaverse. What about this infinite door portal they created? So you are in the beach, but now you can be skiing. This is something we'll do in the future. Now China wants to regulate the metaverse through an identity system. And of course, now in Spain also, we want to regulate AI, and we have this agency for supervision. So you can see that China and Spain, in terms of taxation, in terms of controlling their population, we are almost the same. Our eyes getting closer to Chinese eyes now. VVVA now launching an AI that allows you to measure the health of your financial freedom, your financial situation. This is a good one for AI after that 2 bad ones. And another good one for AI is that Sam Altman is trying to make us immortal through research in AI. So thank you, Sam Altman. We'll see about that. But let's not just overthink things like this cat fighting to itself. What about this Dogecoin kicking you in the balls just like the market? This guy that got stuck in his positions and wants to escape but can't. Now it's too late. What about these 2 fighting? Who's better, Ethereum or Bitcoin? Ethereum, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Bitcoin. Thank you, our friend Gateto, for sending us this clip. And also this one where the cat is spooked by the market conditions. Be careful, small cat. Some of them wants to help you, like this one with the nails, maybe in your coffin. And also some of them want to help, but finally they fall and create a disaster in your room. What about this guy Iron Man sent us? Is a Dogecoin eating a watermelon. Crazy stuff. Thank you very much for sharing. And what about this one? If you don't want a kid because they do a lot of trouble. They create a lot of trouble. What about cats? Crazy ones. And what about this guy with the watermelon Hamlet? We are ready with this Hamlet for the market conditions. Let's go and rest for a little bit like this rabbit. We have no more time today. If you want this in Spanish, go to our primary channel, Fun on the Ride. If you want more in English, just wait till tomorrow here in Crypto News, Fun on the Ride. Health, money, love, party in peace, and the best is yet to come. Crypto a tope, to the moon!